Often when we create charts, slices, all types of visuals, it often sorts alphabetically and not, say, numerically or chronologically. And when we were creating these pie charts, for example, we had to sort the pie chart using the more options. We had to sort it in ascending or descending order by a particular value. Let me give you a situation. I'm just going to pop this up here, and let's say we add another visual to this page. I'm going to add a line chart, and I'll just stretch this out because I know that I can make this cause the very issue I want to talk about. So I'm creating a line chart, and from my, let me just right click and collapse all. From my date data query or table, I want to add the month name to my x-axis. So my months go across the bottom axis. We're not seeing it yet, but we will do. And then in my key ticket measures, I want to add my number of tickets to my y-axis. So this is the number of tickets that have been lodged by month. Now, I can see here that my months are October, August. They're all over the show. So if I went into my more options and sorted the axis, I could sort the axis by month name. And then if I go back in there again, I can sort it in ascending order. So now I finally have August, December, July, June, May. I've still got a little problem going on here. So I actually need to still fix this problem because that hasn't resolved it. So what I do here is I click on my visual, and I actually go to my month name in my fields list, which then provokes the column tools tab in my ribbon. And here's the answer. Here's the most useful button. Sort by column. I can now choose, using my date data table, how I want to sort this chart. And really, I don't want to sort it by month name because it doesn't do it properly. I have to sort it by month number. By sorting it by month number, I've got May, June, July, August, September, October, December, November, December. So what else could be fixed? If I go back to some of my earlier pages, this here needs to be fixed. It should be less than 5,000, 5,000 to 50,000, then greater than 5,000. I'm going to click on this particular slicer. And in fact, I'm going to go to company, and I'm going to click on company size in the fields pane. That provokes the column tool, so I can choose sort by column. And I'm actually going to sort by company ID because I know that that will then sort this in the order that I want it. What else? If I go back to my support table, this here, January, February, March, April, this actually seems to be in the right order. But what if I make it a little bit trickier? What if I got rid of year number and instead put financial quarter year label? So then I've got the financial year and the quarter, but notice it's quarter one, quarter one, quarter one, quarter one, and then it's 2, and then it's 3, and then it's 4. I need this sorted firstly by financial year. So I'll click on my fin quarter year label. I'll go sort by, and I'll say sort it by financial year or year number. That's better. Year number. And so it's sorting it by 2018, 2019, 2000, and so on and so forth. In fact, it needs to sort it by quarter. Sort it by quarter number. Oh no, then that's doing that. Okay, that might need a little bit of work. Sales summary, that's all good. That's all good. Yeah, so think about that. Sometimes you want to click on a field and use the sort by column. Actually, let's just go back to that support summary. That's bugging me. Support summary, if I click on that slicer and I click on fin year label, what I actually want to sort by is not the year, but the financial year number. That's better. So 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, and then quarter 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you click on a field, go to column tools and look at how you can sort by that column. Particularly useful when you are also doing graphs and you need them sorted. And the more button isn't enough. Okay.